So Eric, you went through something like 30 iterations.
Yes, we went through a lot.
So can you just say what are some of the early ones and what did you learn and how did you move on?
Sure. I can show you this one. This is one of the first iterations, which it had a filter that was about 1.5 inches in diameter, which is one of the trending designs that we've kind of seen out there during this crisis. But when we started doing our tests with our equipment, we found out that that was not a sufficient enough area for good filtration or for providing low strain on your lungs. So we ended up having to switch to a bigger type of configuration, which was the pleated cartridge filters, which take a large piece, about 100 centimeters square of media that you can breathe through. And we actually double them up. And this is another design that we kind of started looking into, which is really easy to put together and also make, where it just takes a large patch of media filtration. But again, like even this large area, which is pretty close to your typical N95 mask, is still not sufficient for good filtration.
So where did you end up?
So as I was saying, we have the 2 cartridge system, which involves about 2 pieces of 100 centimeter square HEPA filter material for the big boy that you have.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks.